Hey everybody, this is Dimmick with CustomInsured, and today I wanted to take a quick moment and talk a little bit about the kind of the state of affairs in the health insurance market, a lot of the ill effects that are occurring that have driven us to create the approach that we have, and really have kind of forced a need for a new approach, and to kind of reinforce the value of the actual approach that we're doing. So. A couple stats here, then this is going to be primarily related to small business insurance, but interestingly enough, as of right now, as it stands, 40% of large employers offer only high deductible plans. So in other words, the employee exposure has continued to increase year by year to where it's almost half of all employees at large employers. Another interesting stat, the share of people with employer-based insurance have actually fallen in the past 20 years. So there's fewer people getting group health plans or on group health plans than there were 20 years ago. Since 2010, when the ACA came into play, there are actually more underinsured people on employer plans than there were in 2010. So more people are underinsured than they were 9 years ago. And also, kind of the biggest kicker of all, the premiums and deductibles, they've gotten to be an average of, I know this is all kind of technical, but as of 2018, 11.5% of median income, meaning that across the nationwide, the average employee between their premiums and deductible are exposed to over 10% of their income. Oddly enough, right at that threshold is where if you or happen to be on an Obamacare or marketplace policy, you'd actually be getting a subsidy. But because people on group health plans, they don't have that option. So really kind of the overall point being that so many of these things are going in the wrong direction. The deductibles are increasing, premiums are increasing. It's not sustainable, the system as it has been. And that's really what's driven us to create the approach that we take of customizing the coverage. What we can do is eliminate a lot of these legacy issues and get people back to having coverage really kind of the way it should be. That's all for now. Just want to take a quick moment. As always, we do appreciate your time and hope you take care out there.